Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 490. As always, before we begin, we start by showing you the time here in local Toronto, Ontario. And it is now 11:09 p.m. my friends. That means we are 9 minutes after Winnipeg would have sold and we are ready to go. This did end Tuesday, April 22nd, 26th, 2022 for one box of Series 1. It is box 9 of 12. We're wrapping up this case. This is case number 4. Box 10 goes tomorrow night. Hopefully we see you there. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings on eBay. If you open up your description, you'll see that serial number there posted, along with this information here saying it's box 4, case 4, box 9 of 12. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. And again, we will be sure to show that serial number before we open up the box. Now we're going over the rules really quickly. There's some new guys here. And we're going to pick on Ethan Bada. He's a good guy. He's been with me for a while. And in this box, he owns the Boston Bruins. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack generally contains one hit. That is the card that gets mailed out. If there are any Boston Bruin cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Ethan Bada to his shipping address on eBay. Please make sure your shipping address is up to date because that's what I use to ship your cards. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Boston Bruin hits in the box, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Ethan Bada because there was nothing to mail. That's how box breaks work. I know he paid 50 cents for shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everybody for the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with Series 1. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Anto Bata has the Wild, the Predators, Rangers, and the Senators. Ethan Bata has the Bruins. Boyle Jesse has the Jackets and the Oilers. BR owns the Panthers. Darren has the Canadiens. Echo Mac has the Ducks. Forsberg Rocks has the Sabres, the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Stars, and the Flyers. Griff has the Lightning. Hockey MC has the Avalanche and the Kings. Leach has the Capitals. Nick Horf has the Red Wings. Nowak has the Blackhawks. Sudden Pat has the Coyotes and the Devils. And rounding us out, W96 has the Islanders, the Penguins, the Sharks, the Blues, the Leafs, who won a game tonight. Matthew scored his 60th goal. Very excited. The Canucks, the Knights, and the Winnipeg Jets. Seattle's not available until Series 2. All right, 651002. Let's remember that as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And before we even begin, we show that serial number. 651002. As advertised, as promised, and now being delivered. Just want to make sure all systems go. We are. Here we go. Again, this is box 9. Box 10 goes tomorrow night. All right, my friends. Good luck, everyone. Our first hit is a young gun, Matthias Samuelsson, for your Buffalo Sabres. Congratulations, Buffalo. Always nice when we start off with a young gun. Young Guns for your New York Rangers, Zach Jones. Back-to-back Young Guns. Upper deck canvas, Cale Janrock for your Nashville Predators canvas card. Nice card. We have a debut dates of Tim Stutzla. I heard it pronounced a few different ways, for your Ottawa Senators. We have a Alex Nedeljkov for your Carolina Hurricanes. Fantastic goalie, rookie retrospective. Congratulations, Carolina. It's always nice to see the box hit or case hit. So let's look forward to see what that is in this box. Upper deck canvas. Speaking of the devil, number 60 tonight. Congratulations to the Toronto Maple Leafs. Austin Matthews, canvas. It was a great goal too. Much better than a empty netter. 100% Milan Lucic for your Calgary Flames. Young Guns, wow. Congratulations to the Anaheim Ducks. I'm glad that he comes out more than once per case. Trevor Zegras. To the owner of the Anaheim Mighty Ducks, or the Anaheim Ducks now, let me know if you would like your package tracked. Big card, congratulations. Here's our Blue Dazzler for your Vegas Golden Knights, Alex Pietrangelo. Still waiting on the case hit, still waiting on our French variant. That looks like a variation of a box hit. It is. It's Alexander Barkov for your Florida Panthers. Gold, 100%. So congratulations to Florida. He's having a fantastic year. Sometimes they put in a second box hit or case hit, but that is one of them for sure. Gold variation, 100% for Florida. We have a Upper Deck Portraits of Rasmus Dahlin for your Buffalo Sabres. We have a honor roll superstar of David Pastrnak. I think he scored tonight as well for your Boston Bruins. Just going to hit the cursor here so we don't time out. Looks like we got out of focus somehow. There we go. Young Guns, Joey Keane for your Carolina Hurricanes. We have a Jake Ottinger rookie retrospective for your Dallas Stars. Congratulations, Dallas. Young Guns, Cole Lind for your Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations, Vancouver. Upper Deck Canvas, Kirby Dach for your Chicago Blackhawks. Nice canvas card. battling with Nashville. It looks like the Nashville canvas card earlier, they were playing Chicago as well. So it looks like they got a few photographs from that game. Upper deck canvas, not bad. I like this one. Milansoccer1313 for your New York Islanders. Young Guns, Mark Michaels for your Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations, Vancouver. Still quite a few packs. Still looking for possibly a second box hit or case hit and a French variant. We have a 100% Philip Daniel for your Montreal Canadiens. We have electromagnetic Josh Norris for your Ottawa Senators. There's so many hits. There's so many teams that get represented, and I like it. Everybody gets a opportunity. Oh, there is another box hit. A Robert Thomas upper deck game jersey. I like that they put the nice blue in there. Congratulations, St. Louis. These are hard to come by. Maybe one or two a case. There used to be one per box. Still waiting on our French variant. Maybe it lands on a Jean-Luc. That'll be great. It does not. It lands on a Mark Scheifele, Winnipeg Jets variant of Francais. That card going to Winnipeg. 2 packs to go. And as always, we can bring it back to the main screen, show who won the last hit, and sign off with the time. We have a Steven Stamkos, who's at 39 goals right now. Hope he gets to 40 for your Tampa Bay Lightning Superstar Honor Roll. Final pack. We end with a Upper Deck portraits of Brent Burns and your San Jose Sharks. So I'm going to bring you guys back to the main screen, show who owns San Jose, and then sign off with the time. Let's find San Jose. Did I pass it already? No. W96PX10 owns that last hit, and we are now going to show the time again. Hit refresh because it doesn't click when I'm not moving, when I'm not on the screen. It's now 11:22 p.m., my friends. Thank you, and hope to see you guys in box number 10. Great box again tonight. Congratulations on everybody.